Last month, sales of Gravania shoes came close to returning to pre-pandemic levels, but hopes of reaching that benchmark have now been put on hold. Inflation is spiralling in Argentina amid political turmoil and fears of a sharp devaluation of the peso. Earlier this month, Argentina's economy minister Martín Guzmán stepped down. His resignation letter unveiled a deep rift in the governing coalition between President Alberto Fernández and Vice President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner. The tension has led to a sharp increase in inflation. At this 60-year-old company in Buenos Aires, they now check prices of materials and goods on a daily basis.
Inflation in Argentina has sped up. It was around 50% this year, and now it is accelerating. Unfortunately, we could see it reach 3 digits. It could hit 100%.
Last week's spike in inflation has raised wider questions about Argentina's economy and whether or not the country can honour the agreement with the International Monetary Fund over repayment of its $44 billion debt. New Economy Minister Silvina Batakis says targets will be met and fiscal order restored. But many analysts are sceptical and say IMF Director Kristalina Georgieva has issued Argentina a clear message.
She has said painful measures need to be taken. It will not be simply to comply with the fiscal, monetary and reserves accumulation targets, because the new minister has very little room to maneuver.
Latin America's third largest economy faces external challenges as well. The conflict in Ukraine has led to the price of commodities rising, pushing up global inflation. In the United States, the inflation rate is the highest in decades, now above 8%. Perhaps modest by Argentine standards, it has led the Fed to increase interest rates.
In Latin America, the rise in U.S. interest rates generates a scarcity of dollars for financing productive projects or taking on debt. Capital outflows are expected, and that could lead to problems for emerging markets.
Argentina's economy is bracing for even more volatility in the coming months. Joel Richards for CGTN in Buenos Aires.